In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an AI-powered chatbot to your Shopify store. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a fully working chatbot, you'll also discover a few hidden settings that could drastically improve how your store converts visitors. But before we jump in, if you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, click the link in the description to access Shopify's $1 per month for 3 months promo. It's an insane deal and perfect for testing tools like this. So the app that we're going to use today is called Umukasi.ai. And trust me, this one's a game changer because it learns about your store, adapts to your customers, and gives you way more control than most basic bots out there. All right, let's get started. So head over to your Shopify dashboard, and on the left side, go to Apps, and then click App and Sales Channel Settings. Now on the top right, click Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type umukasi.ai and click Install once it pops up. Once it's installed, hit Open. Scroll down and click Open Umukasi.ai dashboard. Now paste your store's URL and click Start Now. And then you'll be asked to verify your account and enter payment details. But don't worry, this is a 14-day free trial, so you won't get charged unless you continue after that. Now, once you're in the dashboard, you'll see tabs like Analytics, Conversations, Agent Widget, Knowledge Base, Custom Rules, and Settings. So let's quickly go over what this do and what they matter. So for Analytics, this is how we can see how many chats happen, peak hours, and what customers ask most. For Agent Widget, this is what your chatbot looks like on your store. You can also customize it. For Knowledge Base, you can add your facts here, train your chatbot to respond smartly. And for Custom Rules, these are gold set rules like if a customer types shipping or show our policy. And finally, Settings. This is just a general setup, but don't skip it. Most people ignore the custom rules section, but it's the key to making your bot sound smart, not robotic. And once everything is filled out, you'll land on a page where you can test your chatbot. Type a message in the box. So for example, what is your name, and see how it replies. But keep in mind, this is just a demo environment right now, so the bot only knows surface level stuff. So that's why in the next step, we'll connect it to the Shopify and unlock full access. But before that, coming up in 30 seconds, I'll show you how to copy a single API key that connects the brain of this bot to your actual store. Okay, let's plug it into your live Shopify site. So go to the left panel in Umukasi and click Add Grace to your site. This is where you get your API key. Copy that. Now back on Shopify, scroll down and look for Enable Theme Extension. Click it, and it will take you to the theme editor. And then go to App Embeds, find Umukasi, and enable it. And also click the little drop-down arrow and paste the API key that you copied earlier and hit Save. And just like that, the bot is now live on your storefront. Let's visit your store and test it out. See that chat bubble? Click it. Now type something like, what products do you sell? Or get fancy like hit the mic button and ask by voice. Yep, it handles text and voice input. This is great for mobile shoppers. And that's it. You now have a fully functional AI chatbot on your Shopify store that's available 24/7 to answer questions, boost conversions, and save you time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your store link. I'd love to check out your chatbot setup. See you on the